Hello guys, welcome to my channel that name is Current Affair. Today I will discuss general science question. Without wasting a time, let's start the question number 1. What is the capital of Telangana? Warangal, Nizamabad, Hyderabad या Karimnagar? The answer is option number C, Hyderabad. Which Indian state is famous for sandalwood? Kerala, Karnataka, Odisha या Bihar? The answer is option number B, Karnataka. Question: which is the hardest natural substance? Gold, iron, diamond या silver? The answer is option number C, diamond. The next question: which gas is used to fill balloons? Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen? The answer is option number C, helium. Which Indian city is known as the city of Nawab? Bhopal, Lucknow, Patna, Agra? The answer is option number B, Lucknow. Question: who is known as the Nightingale of India? Lata Mangeshkar, Sarojini Naidu, Kalpana Chawla या Indira Gandhi? The answer is option number B, Sarojini Naidu. Let's find the next question. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? Venus, Earth, Mercury या Mars? The answer is option number C, Mercury. What is the national tree of India? Neem, banyan, peepal या mango? The answer is option number B, banyan. Let's find the next question. Which Indian state produces the most rubber? Tamil Nadu, Assam, Kerala या Tripura? The answer is option number C, Kerala. Let's find the next question. Which organ help in breathing? Heart, brain, lungs या kidney? The answer is option number C, lungs. Let's find the next question. Which continent has the maximum number of countries? Asia, Europe, Africa या Australia? The answer is option number A, Asia. Find the next question. Who wrote the Indian national song Vande Mataram? Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Subhash Chandra Bose या Bhagat Singh? The answer is option number B, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Next question. Which Indian state has the highest population? Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh? The answer is option number C, Uttar Pradesh. Question: which vitamins is also called ascorbic acid? A, vitamin B, vitamin C या vitamin D? The answer is option number C, vitamin C. Next question: which Indian city is known as the city of education? Kota, Pune, Aligarh, Patna? The answer is option number B, Pune. And the next question: who was the first woman president of India? Indira Gandhi, Pratibha Patil, Draupadi Murmu, Sarojini Naidu? The answer is option number B, Pratibha Patil. Next question: which mountain range separate India from Tibet? Aravalli, Vindhya, Himachal, Himalaya या Satpura? The answer is option number C, Himalayas. Find the next question. Which blood cell help fight infection? RBC, platelets, WBC या plasma? The answer is option number C, WBC. And the next question. What is the capital of Gujarat? Surat, Vadodara, Gandhinagar या Rajkot? The answer is option number C, Gandhinagar. And the next question. Which Indian state is called the rice bowl of India? Punjab, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh? The answer is option number C, Andhra Pradesh. Let's find the next question. Which animal is known as the sheep of desert? Horse, camel, elephant, donkey? The answer is option number B, camel. Find the next question. What is the chemical formula of water? CO2, H2O, O2, H2? The answer is option number B, H2O. Next question, which Indian river is the longest? Yamuna, Godavari, Ganga, Narmada. The answer is option number C, Ganga. Next question, who invented the light bulb? Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison, James Watt, Alexander Bell. The answer is option number B, Thomas Edison. The next question, which Indian state is known as a mini India? Kerala, Assam, Tripura या अरुणाचल प्रदेश. The answer is option number B, Assam. And the next question, which Indian state celebrate Bihu festival? Manipur, Assam, Odisha, Jharkhand. Answer is option number B, Assam. The next question, what is the national game of India? Cricket, hockey, kabaddi या football. The answer is option number B, hockey. The next question, which Indian state has the largest forest area? Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra. The answer is option number B, Madhya Pradesh. And the next question, who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Mahatma Gandhi या सुभाष चंद्र बोस. The answer is option number B, Lal Bahadur Shastri. And the next question, which Indian state is known as the city of garden? Mysore, Bengaluru, Ooty या Simla. The answer is option number B, Bengaluru. Question, which country is known as the sugar ball of the world? Cuba, Brazil, India, Thailand. The answer option number A, Cuba. Indian state has the longest river coastline? Gujarat, West Bengal, Maharashtra या river Andhra Pradesh. The answer is option number A, Gujarat. Next question, which planet has the maximum moons? Jupiter, Saturn, Mars या Uranus. The answer is option number B, Saturn. Next question, what is the national fruit of India? Banana, mango, apple या orange. The answer is option number B, mango. Who discovered electricity? Michael Faraday, Benjamin Franklin, Newton, Edison. Answer is option number B, Benjamin Franklin. Next question, which ocean touches the south coast of India? Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. The answer is option number C, Indian Ocean. Which Indian state is the famous for Kumbh Mela? Bihar, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand या Gujarat. The answer is option number C, Uttarakhand. Next question, which Indian city is called the Steel City? Bokaro, Raulkela, Jamshedpur या Durgapur. The answer is option number C, Jamshedpur. Next question, which disease is caused by the mosquito? Cholera, malaria, tuberculosis या typhoid. The answer is option number B, malaria. Question, what is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Manali, Dharamshala, Simla या Ceylon. The answer is option number C, Simla. Next question, which gas is used in welding? Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide या ethylene. The answer is option number D, ethylene. Question, who is known as the father of nation? Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose. The answer is option number B, Mahatma Gandhi. Next question, which Indian state is famous for Pashmina shawl? Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir या Sikkim. The answer is option number C, Jammu and Kashmir. Question, which instrument measure air pressure? Thermometer, hygrometer, barometer या anemometer. The answer is option number C, barometer. Next question, which Indian state has the highest number of districts? Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan या Bihar. The answer is option number B, Uttar Pradesh. Question: which is the largest bone in the human body? Arm bone, femur, skull, या rib? The answer is option number B, femur. And the next question: which city is known as the tea city of India? Siliguri, uh, Dibrugarh, Jorhat, Guwahati. The answer is option number B, Dibrugarh. Which gas is instilled for photosynthesis? Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, या carbon dioxide? The answer is option number D, carbon dioxide. Next question: who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? C.V. Raman, Mother Teresa, Rabindranath Tagore, Har Gobind Khurana. The answer is option number C, Rabindranath Tagore. Question: what is the capital of Maharashtra? Pune, Nagpur, Mumbai, Nasik. The answer is option number C, Mumbai. Next question: which is the tallest mountain in the world? K2, Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, या Makhulu? The answer is option number B, Mount Everest. Next question: which Indian state is the largest producer of sugarcane? Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka. The answer is option number B, Uttar Pradesh. Let's find the next question: which organs store bile in the human body? Liver, pancreas, gallbladder, kidney. The answer is option number C, gallbladder. Next question: what is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Coimbatore, Madurai, Trichy, या Chennai? The answer is option number D, Chennai. And the next question: who is known as the father of modern physics? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei, Niels Bohr. The answer is option number B, Albert Einstein. Next question: which Indian state is famous for Sun Temple? Konark, Odisha, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, या Chhattisgarh? The answer is option number A, Odisha. Next question: what is the capital of Rajasthan? Udaipur, Jodhpur, Kota, Jaipur. The answer is option number D, Jaipur. Question: which vitamin help in good eyesight? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, या vitamin D? The answer is option number A, vitamin A. Which Indian city is known as the electronic city of India? Pune, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad. The answer is option number C, Bengaluru. Next question: which river is known as the Ganga of South? Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna, या Tunga Bhangra? The answer is option number A, Godavari. Question: which gas is used in the refrigerator? Oxygen, nitrogen, freon, या helium? The answer is option number C, freon. Who invented the aeroplane? Wright brothers, Thomas Edison, Alexander Bell, या James Watt? The answer is option number A, Wright brothers. Next question: which state is known as the fruit bowl of India? Jammu Kashmir, Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, या Sikkim? The answer is option number C, Himachal Pradesh. The next question: which metal is called quicksilver? Aluminium, iron, mercury, या zinc? The answer is option number C, mercury. Question: which country is known as the land of the midnight sun? Sweden, Norway, Finland, Canada? The answer is option number B, Norway. Next question: which festival is known as the festival of harvest in Punjab? Pongal, Baisakhi, Onam, या Bihu? The answer is option number B, Baisakhi. Next question: which planet is known as the evening star? Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Mercury? The answer is option number C, Venus. Question: what is the capital of Bihar? Gaya, Bhagalpur, Muzaffarpur, या Patna? The answer is option number D, Patna. Find the next question. Which Indian freedom fighter gave the slogan Inqilab Jindabad? Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose. The answer is option number C, Bhagat Singh. Which Indian state has the longest railway network? Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, या West Bengal? The answer is option number C, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. What is the national reptile of India? Monitor lizard, king cobra, crocodile या घड़ियाल? The answer is option number D, घड़ियाल. And the next question. Which ocean is also called the hottest ocean? Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean या Pacific Ocean? The answer is option number C, Indian Ocean. Next question. Which Indian state produced the most pepper? Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh? The answer is option number B, Kerala. Next question. Which instrument is used to measure wind speed? Thermometer, barometer, anemometer या hygrometer? The answer is option number C, anemometer. Question. Which river is called the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh? Betwa, Chambal, Narmada, Son? The answer is option number C, Narmada. Next question. Next question is which blood group is known as the universal receiver? O negative, AB positive, A positive, B positive? The answer is option number B, AB positive. Next question. Which Indian city is known as the Scotland of India? Ooty, Kodanaal, Munur या Korg? The answer is option number A, Ooty. The next question. The next question is which Indian state is famous for chinkari embroidering? Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat या Haryana? The answer is option number B, Uttar Pradesh. Let's find the next question. The next question is which gas form the ozone layer? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, ozone या nitrogen? The answer is option number C, ozone. Question. Who is known as the flying Sikh of India? Milkha Singh, PPT Usha, Neeraj Chopra या Abhinav Bindra? The answer is option number A, Milkha Singh. Next question. Which river flow through the Hyderabad? Tungabhadra, Godavari, Musi या Karnataka, Krishna? The answer is option number C, Musi. Which Indian state celebrate the Pongal festival? Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh या Tamil Nadu? The answer is option number D, Tamil Nadu. Next question. Which Indian city is known as the Golden City? Jodhpur, Udaipur, Jaisalmer, Jaipur? The answer option number C, Jaisalmer. Question. Which country is the largest producer of tea in the world? India, China, Sri Lanka, Kenya? The answer is option number B, China. Next question. Which Indian state is known as the milk bowl of India? Punjab, Hyderabad, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat? The answer is option number D, Gujarat. Next question. Which Indian scientist discovered Raman effect? C.V. Raman, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Homi Baba या Vikram Sarabhai? The answer is option number A, C.V. Raman. Next question. Which Indian state is called the Garden City? Mysore, Bengaluru, Ooty या Simla? The answer is option number B, Bengaluru. Next question. Which gas caused acid rain? Oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide? The answer is option number C, sulfur dioxide. Next question. Which Indian state has the largest population as the per census? Maharashtra, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. The answer option number C, Uttar Pradesh. Question: which continent is known as the dark continent? Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia. The answer is option number B, Africa. Question: which Indian city is called the Pearl City? Kochi, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Chennai. The answer is option number B, Hyderabad. Next question: which mountain range is the oldest in India? Himalaya, Vindhya, Aravalli, Satpura. The answer is option number C, Aravalli. Question: which Indian state is famous for bamboo product? Assam, Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan. The answer is option number A, Assam. Next question: which disease is caused by the vitamin C deficiency? Ricket, Shakraveri, beriberi, night blindness. The answer is option number B, Shakraveri. Next question: which Indian city is known as the pink city of South India? Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kochi. The answer is option number B, Hyderabad. The next question: which is the deepest ocean in the world? Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, या Pacific? The answer is option number D, Pacific. Question: which Indian city is called the Oxford of East? Aligarh, Pune, Varanasi, Delhi. The answer is option number B, Pune. Let's find the next question. Which is the largest island in the world? Madagascar, Borneo, Greenland, या Sri Lanka? The answer is option number C, Greenland. Next question: who was the first Indian woman in the space? Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, Tessie Thomas, Ritu Kardiyal. The answer is option number B, Kalpana Chawla. Tomorrow I will discuss 400 current affair of question. So guys, please stay tuned our channel and also subscribe and like my channel also. Thank you for watching and supporting me.